This series breaks down exactly how I made a 3D game on my own. The wins, the mistakes, and the things I wish someone had explained sooner. My name is Justin Fitzpatrick. I'm a solo developer and 3D artist. And I'm the creator of a game called Capri Care. The musician for the game is Kiyoshiro, and the creative director is Dark Kiss. Currently, I'm a student at Full Sail University, and I've been self-teaching Unreal Engine for over a decade. Alongside that, I studied game development and 3D art through Vertex schools for 2 years. Everything you see in this series comes from real hands-on experience, not theory. I learned by building systems, breaking them, and rebuilding them until they worked. The series is made for solo developers, artists learning to code, and anyone overwhelmed by the scope of game development. I'm not here to sell shortcuts. I'm here to show workflows that actually hold up. I've dealt with burnout, scope creep, self-doubt, and long stretches where progress felt invisible. But I've also shipped playable builds and built a pipeline that kept me moving forward. We'll cover tools, engines, and art pipelines, planning, source control, scheduling, burnout, story, demos, marketing, feedback, and how to actually finish a game. I'll be transparent about costs, software, time, and mistakes. Game development doesn't have to be expensive, but it does require consistency. If you are looking for a make a game in a weekend video, this probably isn't for you. But if you want to build something meaningful, even slowly, you're in the right place. If this sounds useful, consider subscribing. The next video breaks down the exact tools I use and why I chose them. If you're working on a game already, leave a comment, tell me what you're building. I read every comment, and future videos are shaped by your questions. This is how I made a 3D game from scratch, and this is where it starts.